So today we have a 2022 Land Rover Range Rover SVR, and this is the story of two SVRs. So I had one in hunter green like this, but that was stolen from a restaurant valet right from the parking lot. And that one is bye-bye, never to be seen again, because I never even heard hide nor hair of it again. So I then decided I needed another green one, so I found a British Racing Green Carbon Edition. And lo and behold, a month after I found this one, I actually found one of the limited edition Hunter Green SVR Carbon Editions again. So although this is not the one that was stolen, we look at it as a reincarnated version of the car that I enjoyed and did not want stolen and I wanted to keep. So now the British Racing Green one is looking for a new home. So we're gonna take it for a ride, which is gonna be pretty quick because it does everything right. It is an SVR. It can be normal transportation. It can be used in anger. And as my son always puts it in sport and opens the exhaust, it sounds awesome. So we'll see you on the road in a couple minutes. Come on. Let's fire it up. It is already warm because there was no need to do a cold start. And it is still under factory warranty should it not start. So we're gonna take it down through suburbia real quick and then take it down the farm road just so you can see the amount of power it has and the awesome sound it has. We will open the windows for that. Climate control is excellent. There's nothing need be said of this SVR that isn't said in the write-up and showing all the options. They're pretty special. I think they're extremely cool, which is why I've had several over the years. Disregard the seatbelt warning light. That is because Jason has decided not to put it on. I find it interferes with our videoing, but it's okay. It's got 5,892 miles from new. It has a ceramic coating, and it's never had any damage whatsoever, any paint, and it's just looking for a new home. It's a 2022 that does absolutely everything right, and I love them. Love them, love them, love them. Those of you who are my generation, the license plate with this big supercharged motor should actually say OPEC 1. And it's 180 degrees opposite from anything EV, but it is, again, in my opinion, absolutely awesome. So we'll be down here in a second, go cruising, get on a little bit. We're gonna go one way with the windows closed, and the other way with the windows open. As you can see, obviously it is just a Range Rover, and it does an exceptional job of just driving in everyday life as a utilitarian vehicle. Now, when you get on it, it just wants to go. And I think feels like a car. That's why I love them. Does not feel like an SUV. It has a wonderful chassis. It goes with the best of them, brakes with the best of them, as you will see here, because we're going to make a U-turn and go back the other way with the windows open. And of course, it's got this absolutely wonderful, huge sunroof, panoramic sunroof. Another panoramic, all stem from the Greek language pano, as opposed to the way my grandmother would say cheese, which is cheese. Windex is from the Greek language. Let's get going again. As you can see, if you actually shift it, it has this great burble. put it back into auto again. There you go, cruising until she doesn't want to cruise anymore, and you've got to get somewhere quickly. It is no slouch as far as power goes, and an excellent touring car with seating for 5. So we're gonna let Jason out right here. There are some days where I just sort of want to open the door and just do a whole shot and see if he can hold on. Nah, he's giggling, chuckling. Hope you enjoyed this road test. The SVR is absolutely awesome. It was recently serviced. I must say, British Racing Green is not too shabby looking. It's the carbon edition that I like. So, thanks for watching.